Every day, millions of people become passengers, trusting in a safe, fast, and comfortable commute. You may not always know their destination, but you know where it begins. When those doors open, a world of possibilities unfolds. That exact moment must be right, every time. Meet our plug sliding door. Building on our legacy of superior entrance solutions and 30 years of field experience, the plug sliding door is the pinnacle of Ventura engineering. This carefully thought-through door is all about improving passenger safety and maximizing uptime. The outward placement creates a completely free doorway and optimal interior space. This way, passengers easily enter and exit the bus simultaneously for an optimal passenger flow. With its sensitive edge, the plug sliding door reopens automatically when it encounters an obstacle. And when equipped with a keen eye, it prevents encounters before they happen. Our in-house developed door control unit allows you to program the door's behavior to your preference for ultimate customization. The plug sliding door comes in an easy-to-install kit, and its clever modular design allows for tailor-made solutions that fits any bus. With well over 1.5 million test cycles, we pride ourselves on the unparalleled quality of our doors. A quality that makes all the difference in the daily challenges of public transport. Ventura Door Systems, welcoming millions of people every day.